Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback in the BlockChain application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see a profile symbol. Press on it. And here in this page you should scroll down a little bit and you will find there the About App section. You can just press on it. And here you should select the second option, which is Rate Our App. And you can rate the app using stars here from 1 star to 5 star. But if you want to add the feedback, let's say like a feedback to improve their app or like a negative one, you shouldn't select 5 stars because you cannot write a feedback then. You can select 1 star to 4 stars if you want to add the feedback. You can just write in here what you want. And you can just press submit down below and your feedback will be sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.